In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open demo account on Ctrader. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds, so there's no real money at risk. It's a great way to get familiar with the Ctrader platform, test strategies, and understand order types before moving to a live account. First, head to a broker's official website that supports Ctrader. Not every broker offers Ctrader, so look for clear mentions of the platform on their site. Make sure you're on the genuine website, not a lookalike page from an ad. A quick check of the URL, security padlock, and the broker's support pages can help confirm you're in the right place. Once you're there, look for a button or link that says Open Demo Account. It's often in the top navigation on the home page, hero banner, or under a Platforms or Trading menu. Sometimes it's labeled Try Demo or Start Free Demo. These all point to the same process. When the form appears, choose Ctrader as your account type or trading platform. Many brokers list multiple platforms side by side, so be sure Ctrader is selected. If the form asks for additional options like account currency, leverage, or starting virtual balance, pick the values you want for testing. You can usually adjust these later or create another demo if you change your mind. Next, fill in your personal details. Typically, this includes your first and last name, a valid email address, and sometimes a country and basic trading experience. Provide accurate information so you receive your login details without delays. Avoid entering any sensitive data that isn't necessary for a demo. If you're asked to create a password, use a strong one and keep it private. Before you submit, review and accept the terms and conditions. These include how the demo environment works, data and communications policies, and risk disclosures. It's worth skimming the key points so you understand that pricing and execution in a demo can differ slightly from live markets and that the broker may contact you about your account. If there are communication preferences, set them the way you like. After you accept, most brokers will either display your Ctrader demo credentials on screen, email them to you, or let you launch Ctrader Web immediately. Log in, confirm your virtual balance, and take a moment to explore watch lists, charts, order tickets, and the trade history panel. Practice placing small test orders, setting stop losses and take profits, and switching between time frames. Remember, the goal is to build confidence in a risk-free environment before trading for real.